Friends, today I will show you how to make this perfect vegetable biryani vermicelli in my way. So come, let's move on to the video, and I hope you will enjoy it, not only by watching, after you try and you taste it. Let's move. I have taken these 2 packets of annual vermicelli. Though it is roasted, I am going to re-roast it again. For these 2 packets, I have taken 2 big onions, 2 medium-sized tomatoes, and 1 carrot, 1 potato, and this much of beans, because we are going to make vegetable vermicelli today. And see, this is a little bit portion of coriander and mint which I have chopped and kept. Along with this, we will be using 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and 1 tablespoon of curd. So let's chop this all first, and then I will show you how much of oil, salt, masalas are required to make this vermicelli when I am cooking. So my chopping is over here, and at another side my vermicelli is getting roasted. Let me show you. See, here I am re-roasting my vermicelli. After it is done, we will start our saute. I am using gingerly oil here. Everyone must be having this type of spoon in your home for cooking. So I am using the same spoon so that you know the measurements. With this spoon, I am just measuring 10 spoons of oil and putting it into the pan now. So oil has heated up. Now I am using this much of spices. So let it splutter, and then we will add green chilli, onions, and saute it. And let it become golden brown, and then we will add ginger garlic paste. See, the oil should be of this much consistency after when you add onion, so then it will come out well. Yes, I know the oil, the amount what I have used is bit more for you, but still for the taste, once in a while we can use, I think. So now the onions are done. I am putting 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste in this. So that's enough. And we will saute it until the raw smell goes off. At this stage, I am going to add tomatoes as well as the mint coriander combo for the good fragrance. We will saute it until the tomatoes become mushy. After that, we will add the vegetables as well as the spices. So the saute is over. We will add the masalas into it. Turmeric and garam masala. Garam masala is optional, but still I am going to use this. Turmeric, garam masala, chili powder, and I'm going to use very much little bit of chili powder because we don't use to eat spice content food. So see, I'm going to use only this much of chili. Yeah, I think with this I am going to add 1 tablespoon of curd. If you don't have curd, you can add 1 tomato as extra for the taste. So saute it, and then now I am going to add all the veggies, tricolor veggies. Isn't it a proper tricolor breakfast to start our day? So we will add all the vegetables inside and saute it. So for 2 packets of vermicelli, I am adding 2 teaspoons of salt. You add as per your taste, lesser or more, how much you want you can add. Saute the vegetables for 2 minutes. I think 2 minutes is okay for this because I have chopped the vegetables finely, so it will become soft in 2 minutes itself. After that we can add the required water into it. So it's time to add water. I always use this glass, big one, and 1 glass for 1 packet of vermicelli. So I'm going to add 2 full glass of water. So adding 2 glasses of water. So 2 glasses of water gives a perfect consistency for your vermicelli. So let it come to a boil, and then we will add our roasted vermicelli.
Oh.
Now it has come to the boil. Now we will add the roasted vermicelli into it. We will mix it properly.
Okay.
Give a mix. So that all the veggies, masalas, everything come together. Yeah, that's it. Now we will close the lid for 2 minutes, and yeah, then our vermicelli is done. Keep it in the low flame for 2 minutes. 2 minutes is much for this vermicelli to be done. So friends, it's 2 minutes now. We will see how this has come out. Yeah, it is in the proper consistency. You can see this, and it is not sticky at all. Now it's ready to serve. That's it. Over. I'm switching off the stove, and I have some coriander leaves in my hand to garnish it. That's all. It's ready to serve, and I'm going to serve it for my kids. Thank you. Bye bye.